Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's news bulletin. Here are the headlines of the day. Mukul calls MDA Meghalaya deceitful alliance, demands probe into land scam. Sachin pilot trains guns at BJP allies over non-fulfillment of promises. Prime Minister Modi has taken northeast to new heights, says Conrad Sangma. And polling in Soyang adjourned following demise of HDR leader. Leader of opposition and TMC leader Dr. Mukul Sangma on Tuesday accused the NPP-led MDA government of robbing the state of rupees 140 crore with the purchase of 807 acres of land at Maupdang in East Khasi Hills district. Addressing media persons at the TMC party office in Shillong today, Sangma called the MDA the Meghalaya deceitful alliance for deceiving the villagers of Maupdang Maukhannu by purchasing land from the middlemen at rupees 85 per square feet, while the actual price purchased from the villagers was rupees 45 per square feet. He further alleged that the decision was approved by the State Cabinet on October 4, 2021. Demanding probe by the central agency into the alleged land scam, Sangma hoped that the centre take cognizance of these allegations, even as he claimed there is no dearth of evidence.
This time, by engaging in purchase of a land, which comes to around 807 acres, and which were purchased from the residents of Maupdang, Maukhannu village at the rate of 45 rupees per square feet, for which the government ultimately paid to the middleman a very highly inflated rate of rupees 85 per square feet. Meaning, the government has embarked upon this modus operandi to have their middlemen purchase the land, duping the landowners, innocent landowners, innocent villagers at a throwaway price of rupees 45 and made a payment of rupees 85 per square feet to their middlemen.
Former Union Minister and Congress leader Sachin Pilot today slammed the Bharatiya Janata Party for failing to deliver on its promises, despite being the government both at the centre and the state for the last 5 years. Addressing media persons in Shillong on Tuesday, Pilot said inflation and unemployment continue to be major issues in Meghalaya and the country as a whole, even as he questioned the BJP and MDA government over their inability to address these issues. Claiming that the Congress has always delivered on the promises, Pilot said this fresh team under the leadership of Vincent Pala will bring good governance to the state. He further said they will establish a dedicated state university with a special focus on job-oriented and market-ready courses if Congress comes to power, besides creating one job for every household in Meghalaya through promotion of mass entrepreneurship. He also spelled out various initiatives his party would undertake for different sectors like tourism, agriculture, digital marketing and youth and sports, among others.
The country is facing the highest unemployment ever recorded unemployment rate. These are all government figures. So therefore, on all these indices, the BJP and NDA government have actually failed in performance. They may be good on rhetoric, they may be good on media management, on spending money, but on the ground delivery, the BJP has actually failed in its performance. The Congress has a different track record. I don't want to go to history, but Dr. Manmohan Singh's government and this government, if you compare, 140 million people were lifted out of poverty. And today what we're seeing in government of India, BJP, is that the gap between rich and poor has become almost unscalable. It has become so much.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has hailed Prime Minister Narendra Modi and said he has all respect and love for Prime Minister Modi, adding that the Prime Minister has taken Northeast to new heights. In an exclusive interview with DD India correspondent Vishal Baristo in his constituency South Tura, Sangma declares that NPP is open to post-poll alliance.
The Honorable Prime Minister is somebody I deeply respect. He has been somebody who has shown a lot of care for the Northeast region and for our state also. We have received a lot of support from him in the last 5 years. So definitely the respect and the love is always there. He was always very close with my late father also. So all the relationship is always there. These are election times, so of course every party will say their own things and will make statements in the election campaign. That happens, but I'm sure that even in the future, as we go forward and in the next 5 years, we will still continue to get the support from the Honorable Prime Minister.
Polling in Soyang constituency has been adjourned following the sudden demise of former Home Minister and UDP candidate HDR Lingdor. He breathed his last at the Bethany Hospital, Shillong on Monday evening after a cardiac arrest. The assembly polls in Meghalaya will be held in all the 59 seats barring Soyang. Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Kharkongor said that the adjourned poll date in respect of Soyang Assembly constituency will be announced by the ECI at a later date. It may be mentioned that Lingdor lost the Soyang seat as a Congress candidate in 2018. He joined the United Democratic Party ahead of the announcement of the February 27 elections with a hope of recapturing the seat from NPP's Samlin Malyang. A common platform for the 8 candidates of Nongstoin Assembly constituency was organized on Monday at Nongstoin Market by the village darbar of New Nongstoin, where all the candidates attended and spelled out agendas for the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections. The candidates who took part in the event included UDP candidate Polestar Nongset, AITC candidate Macmillan Kharbani, Congress candidate Gabriel Walang, HSPDP candidate Sanjit Kinsai Shangrit, BJP candidate Deostar Jindyang, sitting MLA and NPP candidate Macmillan Birsat, VPP candidate Bobby Kharshandi and independent candidate S. Wanyang. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded in the city was 20.2 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 10.9 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 75%, while it was 52% in the evening. Rainfall reported yesterday was 0.3 millimeters. The forecast says light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here's the headlines once again. Mukul calls MDA Meghalaya deceitful alliance, demands probe into land scam. Sachin pilot trains guns at BJP, allies over non-fulfillment of promises. Prime Minister Modi has taken Northeast to new heights, says Conrad Sangma. And polling in Soyang adjourned following demise of HDR Lingdor. Meghalaya will vote on 27th February. On behalf of the Doordarshan, we urge all our listeners to exercise your right to vote and celebrate the festival of democracy. And with that, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.